Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to this back. I have this 2021 Nissan, as you can see, 2021. All right. I believe it's Altima. Okay. So I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change and how to reset the oil life in this vehicle. All right, real quick. I'm not gonna hold you up. I just wanna give shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the help. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Holla at your boy. I see you after the oil change. Boom. You come down here, this is how you open the hood. Alright. Yeah, Nissan Altima. Alright, 2021. Yeah, open the hood. Boom. 2021. It takes 0W20 synthetic oil and 2.5 liter engine. Okay, here's the oil cap, dipstick, oil dipstick. Pretty neat, brand new Nissan Altima. Alright, all-wheel drive. Also, it takes the new Freon 1234YF 0.550 kilograms, double exhaust, double muffler. That's the power price there, resonator, the cat. Now down here is the behind this cover is the oil drain plug. Okay, so we're gonna remove it. It only has clips all the way around. Okay, we'll remove the cover. There it is. That's the oil filter. And here's the oil drain plug right here. Just gonna hold this with a wire or something. Yeah, so I don't remove the whole thing. Feel me? We're gonna use the classic 14mm socket. Okay. Now we proceed to remove the oil drain plug. Now we drain most of the oil, put the oil drain plug back. I'm saying put it by hand first. You don't want to mess with the thread. Then tighten it and snag it with the 14mm socket. Now we come to the filter, which is right next to the oil drain plug. Remove it. I'm saying you can use tools. If you're strong enough, do it by hand. I'm saying, but when you put the new one, don't use tools. Blah 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 blah. Clean where the oil filter sits. This is a brand new oil filter, Parts Master. Sits 1358. Now I'm gonna love this, the oil ring. Now we install it. Like I said, do it by hand, don't use tools. You don't wanna penetrate or make a hole in the oil filter. Tight it by hand, that should be good. Now put the cover back. Clean after yourself. Now time to pour the oil in the engine. 0W20 synthetic oil. Since the engine is 2.5, I'm gonna pour, I got 5 right here, so I'm gonna pour 4 first and then check the oil level and go from there. Or let me give you a tip. Okay, when you pour the oil, try to pour the oil slowly, because you don't want the oil to come through these holes. Okay, This usually happens in Nissan engines. Or you pinch it here, or just pour the oil slowly. Okay. So I pour 4.5 quarts. Okay, you don't believe me? I'll show you. It's supposed to be right there, right? What is? Sorry, right here. Right. So here it goes. Here goes nothing. 4.5 quarts. Alright, Gucci. Put everything back now. Remove your funnel. Put the engine oil cap back. Tight it. Now let's close the hood and do the oil life reset. Okay, I hope you liked the video how to do the oil change in this 2021 Altima Nissan. Alright, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? Hit the like button, share this video, and the feedback, put in a comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this Nissan 2021 Altima. Alright, and yeah, shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love, thank you for support and help. So, oil life reset right now. I'm gonna start the vehicle, okay? Step on the brake, push the start button. You see the intro. Alright, it's gonna tell you service due now. Alright, you see it right there. So all we're gonna do is play with this guy right here. Press OK. That is gonna go away. Alright, now you can go left or right. Let's go right, okay? You're gonna go to the gear icon right there, that one right there, okay? Now scroll down, go to maintenance, press OK, go to oil filter, press OK. Now I have 750. Oh wow, it doesn't matter, we're just gonna reset it, okay? Scroll down, press OK, confirm reset. Yes. This time we're gonna change it. It's supposed to be 5,000, okay? Press OK, and that's it. I just reset the oil life and reset also the distance. Alright, go back. Let's check the other ones. Reset, press OK, confirm, yes. Alright, good. There you go. Go back, check the tires. It haven't been set up, so we're just gonna leave it like that. And that's how you reset the oil life in this 2021 Nissan Altima, alright, SR. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Highlight your boy. Leave it right here. I'm Audi.